Welcome to Your Health, a channel dedicated to providing essential information to help you take care of your health and well-being. Here, you'll find topics on nutrition, vitamins, and tips for leading a healthier lifestyle. Our focus is to help you make informed choices, from the importance of vitamins like B12 to practical tips for a more balanced life. If you're looking to improve your mental and physical health, or just learn more about keeping your body in peak condition, you're in the right place. Join our To Your Health community and subscribe so you don't miss any of our valuable content. Take care of your health and live life to the fullest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
The liver is a powerhouse. This vital organ, often overlooked, is essential for maintaining your overall health and well-being. Nestled in the upper right portion of your abdomen, the liver is a large, reddish-brown organ that performs a multitude of critical tasks. It works tirelessly behind the scenes, performing over 500 vital functions. These functions are so diverse and crucial that without a properly functioning liver, your body would struggle to survive. From processing nutrients to detoxifying harmful substances, the liver is always at work. This amazing organ filters your blood, removing toxins and waste products. Every minute, about 1.5 liters of blood pass through the liver, where it is meticulously cleaned and purified. This process ensures that your body remains free from harmful substances that could otherwise cause significant damage. It produces bile, essential for digesting fats. Bile is a digestive fluid that helps break down fats into fatty acids, which can be absorbed by the digestive tract. Without bile, your body would struggle to process and utilize the fats you consume, leading to digestive issues and nutrient deficiencies. Your liver also plays a key role in metabolism, hormone regulation, and even immune function. It helps convert the food you eat into energy, stores vitamins and minerals, and produces proteins that are vital for blood clotting. Additionally, the liver helps regulate hormones and supports your immune system by producing immune factors and removing bacteria from the bloodstream. In essence, your liver is your body's primary detoxification center. It processes everything you eat, drink, breathe, and absorb through your skin. This includes not only nutrients, but also toxins and waste products that need to be neutralized and eliminated from the body. It processes everything you eat, drink, breathe, and absorb through your skin. This means that the liver is constantly working to filter out harmful substances and ensure that only beneficial nutrients are absorbed into your bloodstream. Without a healthy liver, your body would quickly become overwhelmed by toxins, leading to a cascade of health problems. Symptoms of liver dysfunction can include fatigue, digestive issues, and even cognitive impairments. Over time, a compromised liver can lead to more serious conditions such as liver disease or failure. Taking care of your liver is crucial for overall health and longevity. Simple lifestyle changes such as eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and avoiding excessive alcohol consumption can go a long way in supporting liver health. Additionally, staying hydrated and avoiding exposure to environmental toxins can help keep your liver functioning optimally. By supporting your liver's natural detoxification processes, you can boost your energy levels, improve digestion, enhance mental clarity, and promote a long and vibrant life. Practices such as mindful eating, stress management, and regular checkups with your healthcare provider can further support liver health and overall well-being. In today's world, our livers are facing an unprecedented onslaught of toxins. From air pollution and chemical exposure to processed foods and synthetic additives, the modern environment presents numerous challenges for liver health. These toxins can accumulate in the liver, making it harder for the organ to perform its essential functions. From processed foods and environmental pollutants to medications and stress, our modern lifestyle can take a toll on the vital organ. Many common medications and over-the-counter drugs can also strain the liver, especially when taken in large quantities or over extended periods. It's more important than ever to understand how to support our liver health and give it the tools it needs to thrive. Educating yourself about liver-friendly foods, supplements, and lifestyle practices can empower you to make informed choices that benefit your liver. Consulting with healthcare professionals and staying informed about the latest research can also help you maintain a healthy liver and enjoy a better quality of life. We live in a world saturated with toxins. Every day, as we go about our lives, we are exposed to a myriad of harmful substances that infiltrate our environment and ultimately our bodies. These harmful substances bombard our bodies daily, often without us even realizing it. From the air we breathe, filled with exhaust fumes and industrial emissions, to the food we eat, laden with artificial additives and preservatives, our bodies are under constant attack, and our livers are on the front lines of defense. This vital organ works tirelessly to filter out these toxins, breaking them down and ensuring they are safely removed from our bodies. Processed foods laden with artificial ingredients, preservatives and unhealthy fats put a significant strain on the liver. Fast food, convenience meals and snacks often contain trans fats, high fructose corn syrup and other harmful substances that the liver must work overtime to process. Environmental pollutants such as pesticides, heavy metals and air pollution also find their way into our bodies and accumulate in the liver. These toxins can come from the food we eat, the water we drink, and even the air we breathe, making it nearly impossible to avoid them entirely. Medications, even over-the-counter varieties, need to be processed by the liver, adding to its workload. Pain relievers, antibiotics and other common drugs can be particularly taxing, especially when taken frequently or in high doses. Chronic stress further burdens the liver. In our fast-paced, high-pressure world, stress has become a constant companion for many of us. This stress triggers the release of hormones that can disrupt liver function and exacerbate the effects of other toxins. When we're stressed, our bodies release hormones like cortisol, which can disrupt liver function. This hormonal imbalance can lead to a vicious cycle where stress impairs liver function and a compromised liver struggles to manage the body's stress response. Alcohol consumption, even in moderation, puts extra pressure on the liver to detoxify the body. Social drinking, while often seen as harmless, can lead to significant liver damage over time, especially when combined with other toxins. The cumulative effect of these modern toxins can overwhelm the liver, impairing its ability to function optimally. When the liver is overburdened, it can't effectively filter out toxins, leading to a buildup that can have serious health consequences. Over time, this can lead to a buildup of toxins in the body, increasing the risk of various health problems, including fatty liver disease, hormone imbalances, digestive issues, and even chronic diseases. The liver's inability to keep up with the detoxification process can have far-reaching effects on overall health. It's essential to be mindful of the toxins we're exposed to and make conscious choices to minimize our exposure. Opting for organic produce, reading food labels carefully, and choosing eco-friendly products can help reduce the toxic load on our livers. By reducing our toxic load, we can support our liver's natural detoxification processes and protect this vital organ for years to come. Simple lifestyle changes, such as incorporating liver-friendly foods like leafy greens and beets, staying hydrated, and practicing stress-reducing activities like yoga and meditation, can make a significant difference. Regular checkups with healthcare professionals can also help monitor liver health and catch any potential issues early. By being proactive and taking steps to support our liver, we can ensure it continues to function effectively, safeguarding our overall health and well-being. Remember, a healthy liver is crucial for a healthy life. By making informed choices and prioritizing liver health, we can enjoy a better quality of life, free from the burden of toxin-related health issues. Let's take the necessary steps today to protect our liver and, in turn, our future. Your liver works tirelessly to keep you healthy, often without complaint. This vital organ performs over 500 functions, including detoxifying your blood, producing bile for digestion, and storing essential nutrients. It's a powerhouse that works around the clock to ensure your body runs smoothly. However, when it becomes overloaded or damaged, it can send out warning signals. These signals are your body's way of telling you that something is wrong and needs attention. Ignoring these signs can lead to more severe health issues down the line. Recognizing these early signs of liver distress is crucial for taking timely action and preventing further damage. Early intervention can make a significant difference in your overall health and well-being. So, what are these signs and how can you spot them? One of the most common signs of liver dysfunction is fatigue. This isn't just your average tiredness, it's a deep, unrelenting exhaustion that doesn't go away with rest. Your liver is responsible for converting nutrients into energy, and when it's not functioning properly, your energy levels can plummet. If you constantly feel tired, even after a good night's sleep, it could be a sign that your liver is struggling. This kind of fatigue can affect your daily life, making it hard to concentrate, work, or even enjoy activities you once loved. Digestive issues, such as bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea, can also signal liver problems. Your liver produces bile, which helps break down fats and aids in digestion. When it's not working correctly, your digestive system can become sluggish and inefficient. Skin problems such as acne, eczema, or yellowing of the skin or eyes, jaundice, can indicate liver dysfunction. Your skin is a reflection of your internal health, and when your liver is overloaded with toxins, it can manifest in various skin issues. Unexplained weight gain or difficulty losing weight, particularly around the abdomen, can also be a red flag. The liver plays a crucial role in metabolizing fats, and when it's not functioning optimally, it can lead to weight issues. Mood swings, irritability, anxiety, and difficulty concentrating can also be linked to liver problems. The liver helps regulate hormones, and when it's not working properly, it can lead to imbalances that affect your mood and mental clarity. The liver plays a role in detoxifying hormones, and when it's not functioning optimally, it can lead to hormonal imbalances that affect mood and brain function. This can result in symptoms like depression, anxiety, and brain fog. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider to determine the underlying cause and receive appropriate treatment. A healthcare professional can run tests to assess your liver function and recommend lifestyle changes or medications to help improve your liver health. Early detection and intervention are key to preventing further liver damage and restoring optimal health. By paying attention to your body's signals and taking proactive steps, you can support your liver and ensure it continues to function effectively. Simple changes like eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and avoiding excessive alcohol can make a big difference. Remember, your liver is your body's silent hero, and it deserves your care and attention. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when I upload a new video.